what's up guys, welcome back. So quick little project I'm gonna do here. I have some amber corners and I went ahead and bought some of these clear, shit, almost broke it, but some clear LEDs and yeah, clear LED front corners. And then I also have in these boxes in here, I have some white out tail lights. So that they're actually red. The light itself is red, but the plastic and I guess the housing itself, sorry, is all white. So we'll see. I'm kind of a little skeptical about the white on the rear, but the fronts definitely I would like to have whited out. So let's get started. It's pretty simple. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull from back here, you're gonna pull that way, while with your prying tool, get it in there and also move it back. So it'll require two hands and a little wiggling around, but eventually you'll be able to pop off that plastic light and drop in the new one. Now this is still attached to a wire, so you gotta be careful when you do it. Don't yank it off, because you don't wanna risk ripping that wire out. All right, so excuse my AC, but getting it back in is just as easy as hooking back up the wire and then just really just pushing it back in. You got to fit it in the hole and then just click it back in. So super easy reinstall process. Let me show you guys on the other side, since I forgot. It was kind of just so easy. I just knocked it out real quick. So I'll show you guys the other side, how you pop it in. Okay, now that I have the wire in, see that front prong? That front prong needs to go in that hole first. Once it's in, kind of just, if this is the light, my hand's the light, you kind of just push it in and then bam, like that. This requires two hands, so I'll be right back. So there it is. I actually really like the way it looks now. I really like the way the front end looks. It looks so much cleaner. All the lights match now. And yeah, no more funky US ambers. All right, so I figured out how to do the tail lights in like 5 minutes, so I'll just tack it on to the back of this video. But you can see there's the other clear one. Looks beautiful. And it's super simple. So just pop your trunk, get a Torx bit that fits. Oh, that's on there tight. Oh, look at that. Carbon fiber's cracked on this side. Guess I'll go back to the dealership and have them replace that shit while it's under warranty, right? So unscrew both screws. This one's gonna take two hands to do. So yeah, I'll be right back. So you just unscrew these two and then yeah, I'll be right back. So now that the screws are undone, they're pretty long. Just make sure you pull them out all the way. We're gonna go ahead and pull this out slightly from this side and then straight out. Hold on. There we go. Okay, cool. And then unplug your lighting harness that's attached to the back. All right, so just make sure your fitment's good. You want to hold on to the light so that way it doesn't move as you're screwing in, okay? So this requires two hands up until a certain point, clearly. So yeah, I'll check back in when I have it tightened down and in the correct spot. Now you want to have it sit as flush as possible with this body line, while also looking over here to make sure it's good over there. So that's straight. We're all set. We're just need to tighten it down now. All right, I got the new tails in. Let's check it out. I think it looks dope. I'm definitely keeping these. Wasn't sure, but they look better than the red ones for sure. And then, yeah, these will still light up amber when your lights aren't on, but when it's off, it just looks a lot better. Cool. Yeah, so if you guys have any questions on how to do these lights, let me know. I got these from Suncoast Parts, I think that's what it's called. It's pretty much like the FCP Euro or the Bimmer world of the Porsche world, if you guys are coming from my BMW channel or my BMW content. Yeah, it's basically the equivalent of any of those sites. All right, take it easy.